guys, I'm on one side of the lake fishing for bass. Bob's on the other side of the lake with the fly rod fishing for crappie. So we're going for a little bit of everything today. There we go. Whoa, I saw that one. I ain't got him yet, but I watched him take the frog and put it in his mouth. The water's clear enough, I could see that. Woo! There's a way to start. There we go. Not a bad bass. Start the day on a frog.
Ultralight here and just see if we'd like that chartreuse jig a little bit better. Yeah, I'm moving my boat. It caught me a crappie. Ooh, it's a nice one too. Whoa. Boy, Don, that's a nice crappie there.
I caught a black over there.
Well, this is a white one, but I bet this is way over 10 inches. That's a nice fish. Catch some nice crappie here. I bet that last one was a good 12 inches. I'm gonna have to get me a measuring board on this. Don, he's up there. He's bass fishing. I don't know. I always was kind of partial to crappie though. Yeah, kind of little one. Kind of suppose you have that 12-inch crappie. But a fish is a fish. A fish is a fish.
There we go. I saw him coming up for it. Oh, that's a nice big crappie. Whoa, come on, baby. Well, we're going for bass, and we ended up with a crappie. Wow, that is one nice crappie. Go. Whew. That is a nice fish, huh? That is not a bad crappie, guys. No matter where, and on a fly rod, that was a lot of fun. There we go. Oh, I didn't even know I had him. Oh, come on. Nice bass. Get him up. At least a nice bass for a fly rod. There's what we was trying to do before. I said we wanted to get those cruisers, and that's what we did. Nice little bass. Well, guys, I thought I should take a minute and explain to you what I'm using here, because you might not have seen the other fly rod video I did. Basically, it's just a worm, and what it is, it's a Berkeley power bait, and they come with a small red head on them. I pinched the head off, use that as a worm, and that is what I've been using on the fly rod. I caught that one small bass with it. Oh, that crappie, by the way, I measured it later. It was 13.5 inches long. So not a bad crappie with a worm. So that's what I've been using. There we go. Little crappie, huh? Not nearly what the other one was. Bob's saving a few, but oops, this one ain't that big.
Well, didn't have the camera on, but that was the last one I got. That's my second biggest one. Having a pretty good day. It's about half a dozen crappie out of this area right here now. Well, I've had a pretty good day today. Yeah, I caught a half a dozen crappie, a couple 13 inches, and I think a 12, and the rest are, 9, 8, 8 inches maybe. Overall, pretty good day. A lot of little gills. Hoping to pick up a bass, but when you panfish, that's how it is, I guess. It's an old car, huh? So I think I'll head in now.
There we go. Right out there. That was a nice one. There we go. Oh, there we go, right up in there. Alright, nice little bass, huh? Not to get too close, there might be some others back in there. Nice little bass. Well guys, I guess that's going to do us for the day. We got the kayak and the small boat out, was able to catch a few bass, got some nice crappie in there. A couple of those were, well, one of mine and a couple of those Bob's were all right at 13.5 inches, so that's a decent sized crappie. I went over to a second lake after we got done there, lost one nice big bass, got another one. So all in all, wasn't a bad day, had a lot of fun, got the boats out, caught a few fish, and that's what it's all about. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again real soon.